ladies, it's me, the Natural Cole, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, nutritious breakfast that's going to help you from the inside out with your hair goals. Last year, I talked a lot about healthy hair starts from the inside out. And if you want healthy hair, you have to make sure that you are getting the correct ingredients and nutrients. So here we have some fresh blackberries. I have some fresh blueberries. We have chia seeds, honey. We have almonds. And we have 100%, well, 0% fat Greek yogurt, and it's only 100 calories. If you follow this recipe, it's only, I think it's less than 400 calories for breakfast, and it's low in fats. So this is going to be really, really quick. The first thing I like to do when preparing my berry bowl is to go ahead and get my yogurt ready. Because this is plain Greek yogurt and it doesn't have any additional sweeteners, I like to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Once I've added the honey, then I go ahead and I get a knife and I mix it, because when I get ready to put my yogurt in my bowl, I want it to be creamy. When I cook and prepare food, guys, I'm all about presentation. Sometimes people laugh at me because they say, Cole, you're doing too much. But I'm like, what's doing too much? Because I like my food to look nice. So we're going to stir that up and get it really creamy. You see how creamy that is? Okay? So once we've got that all stirred up and it's really creamy looking, we're going to go ahead and put it in our bowl. Okay? And when I put it in my bowl, I kind of like to smooth it out. Well, not smooth it out, but I like to, what you call, spread it out a little bit. Almost like I'm icing a cake. It just looks pretty once everything is added on there, and it looks great, especially for pictures. I love taking pictures of my food. I've eaten this week. This is my 3rd time eating this for breakfast, and sometimes I get on a serious yogurt kick and I want to do my berry bowl. Okay, so now we have the yogurt, and look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that look yummy? It looks almost like whipped cream or something. So now we've got our yogurt in here, and all you're going to do is get your blackberries, and you're going to just place them like this. And these are about 15 blackberries. Okay. And don't worry, ladies, there will be a blog post linked in the description box of this video so you can see exactly the measurements and all of that. Okay, so we've got our blackberries in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and dump all of my blueberries right here in the middle. Okay, we got our blueberries right there. And I think I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a few more blackberries. I'm going to put this little guy right here. Okay, So now we have our blackberries, our blueberries, and next we have our almonds. Now, when it comes to almonds, we all know that almonds are high in fat, right? Even though they're really good for us, they're still high in fat. So what I like to do is chop my almonds in half. And it's really easy to do. I'll show you. Almonds are really easy to cut. Just get a knife and you just split them. So I think about 12 almonds is about 80 some calories. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to do just about 12 almonds here. So you're probably saying, Nicole, why don't you just buy almonds that are already cut? I like to buy them whole because I like using whole almonds when I make almond milk, and plus it's just cheaper to buy them whole. I buy them in bulk. You can get them anywhere, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Walmart, Kroger, wherever. So now we have our chopped almonds. Oh my goodness, why do I keep saying onions? I guess I want onions this morning. So now I'm gonna go ahead back over here and we're just gonna top them. We're just gonna put almonds here on top of these delicious berries. It's so simple to make, guys. It's simple, it's quick, and it's easy. That's all you're gonna do. You just gotta kind of place your almonds on here to make it look really cute. Well, not cute, but you know, appetizing, okay? That's all you're gonna do. That's really quick and simple. And then you're gonna get about a teaspoon of, not a teaspoon, but a tablespoon of chia seeds, okay? But what I like to do, I like to put them in my hand like that, and then I like to do it like this. I know, guys, I'm a little bit extra, but I am all about presentation when it comes to my food. I can't help it. Okay? So we're going to pack these chia seeds on. And these little guys are great. And they have a lot of benefits as well. So now we got our chia seeds on. And next thing we're going to do, we're just going to top it. And I like to get just a little bit more honey and put it on top, and we're going to drizzle that honey on just like that. That's it. And there you have it, guys. Your natural cold, or what I like to call TNC Berry Bowl, that's packed with nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, everything you need for healthy hair from the inside out. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more of my quick meals that I like to make. And yeah, if you tried this before, if you had something similar, let me know. And if you make it, let me know. Be sure to tag me in all your pictures on Instagram and say you made the natural cold berry bowl, or if you add anything else. You can add strawberries, you can add raspberries, but one reason I picked berries because they are low in sugar, but they give you a lot of antioxidants and a lot of nutrients, and I wanted to keep this bowl under 400 calories. I think this comes out to right at 380 calories, but I did add a little extra honey, so that probably kicked it up to a 400 calorie breakfast meal. So yes, ladies, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.